Alright, welcome to our coding session on computer vision and convolutional neural networks. This coding session will actually be executed in several phases. We'll start with some ideas and then try to improve the result as we go along. And along the way I will also explain some new concepts. What is the dataset? Well, the dataset is a dataset of pictures, cats and dogs. And what we will try to do is build a binary classifier to have the machine decide if a picture has a cat or a dog on it. This was actually a real Kaggle competition in 2013, so not too long ago. Here you can find the data set, and as I said, you have 25,000 images, half are cats, half are dogs, and we have a test set of about 12,500 images. The first exercise we're gonna do is we're gonna try to use convolution on a small data set. What is small? Well, just a fraction of that. So we will take a training set of 1,000 cats and 1,000 dogs, a test set and a validation set, each of 500. Why do we do this? Well, as I mentioned in the introduction of this course, a lot of companies don't have big data. There's a lot of non-big data situations out there. So having the skill to tune your model on a smaller data set is important. Okay.